Hey guys, so in this tutorial we are going to cover some acting because right now our character is kind of dead when it comes to his speech. So we need in animation, we need to add in some body language as well to be more convincing. So let's just play what we have so far.
Hello guys, my name is George and I'm a character created by your professor, tutor Ted Sandiford. It's indeed a pleasure to help you learn Character Animator. Good luck!
Okay, so as you can see, he's just standing still. So we need to record different aspects of the animation so that our friend George here will come to life. Okay, he would be more interesting. So the first thing I would do, okay, if you notice that we have some red circles on our side here. Okay, this red circles indicate what aspects of what properties of our character will be recording while we are recording on this on the timeline right here. Okay, so right now I would like to record the face. Okay, so I'm going to deactivate all of this here and we're going to record our face. So by doing so, and I forgot to mention, guys, that when you are doing so, I already have my pre-recorded voiceover. If I do not want the voice from the mic to record over that, I need to switch off my mic when I record. Okay, always remember that. All right, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to hit record.
Hello guys, my name is George and I'm a character created by your professor, tutor Ted Sandiford. It's indeed a pleasure to help you learn Character Animator. Good luck!
Okay, so we have our friend here. So we need to go through this again to see what's happening.
Hello guys, my name is George and I'm a character created by your professor, tutor Ted Sandiford. It's indeed a pleasure to help you learn Character Animator. Good luck!
Okay, so we have our character right here. So if we want to, we can, here we see that tick being created. All right, it has the face camera input. All right, so we can bring it down if we want to. All right. Okay. All right. So,
Animator, good luck.
All right. Excellent. Okay. So if you notice that before he just ended abruptly like this. Okay. Whereas just by dragging this here, we can see a gentle slope right here. It gives a subtle, it eases out the movement of your character.
You learn Character Animator. Good luck.
Okay, so he won't just stop abruptly. There will be a smooth movement in there. All right, so with this done, we are satisfied with our movement. Okay, I will switch off the face while recording. Okay, and now I am going to add in our dragger, our dragging tool. Remember the dragging tool that we did in a couple of tutorials back? Okay, so that's what we're going to implement right now. So while he's talking, we're going to be doing some dragging. All right, so let's see what's happening here. We're going to record.
Hello guys, my name is George and I'm a character created by your professor, tutor Ted Sandiford. It's indeed a pleasure to help you learn Character Animator. Good luck!
Okay, so if we were to record, well not record but play back our recording.
Hello guys, my name is George and I'm a character created by your professor, tutor Ted Sandiford. It's indeed a pleasure to help you learn Character Animator. Good luck!
Okay, so we're satisfied with this right now. Okay, so what I want to do is to use our triggers right now. Remember we created some triggers? We want to use our triggers right now. All right, to put some more life into our hands. So in our hands we had this one for the pointing, we had this one, okay, and the D and the F. Okay, so let's look at that again.
Hello guys, my name is George.
Okay, so we want him to say hello guys, so we're gonna put this, we're gonna just make him do a little wave. So we're gonna record this take right now. 1.
Hello guys, my name is George and I'm
Okay, we can stop right here and see how well this was recorded.
Hello guys, my name is George and I'm a
Okay, so we see that his hand, okay, his hand changed prematurely right there. So what we can do, if you notice guys, at the bottom here, let me raise this up a bit so that you can see. Okay, at the bottom here, we have our hand left tick. Okay, so when he...
Hello guys, my name is George.
Okay, so we can actually extend how long he spends opening his hand.
My name is George. Hello guys, my name is George and I'm a character.
Okay, so we can bring this back again. Okay, it's all about mixing and matching.
And I'm a character.
Alright, so let's just see.
Hello guys, my name is George and I'm a character created by your professor, tutor Ted Sandiford.
Okay, so here, where he says tutor Ted Sandiford,
Tutor Ted Sandiford.
I want him to point. Okay, I want him to point. So we're going to be using our A trigger. Okay, so while he's speaking, we're going to hit that A trigger.
Your professor, tutor Ted Sandiford. It's indeed a...
Okay, so let's see what's happening here.
By your professor, tutor Ted Sandiford. It's indeed a pleasure.
Okay, so what we can do, we can actually change the location of our hand right here, and then we can... Okay, so we're gonna try it out.
By your professor, tutor Ted Sandiford. It's indeed a pleasure to help you.
Okay, so I'm not really satisfied with what's happening here. To me, the movement is too slow. So what I am going to do, I am going to delete that particular... The right
Hello
hand is
guys,
okay for me,
my name is George and I'm a
but I want to do that left one over.
tutor Ted Sandiford.
Okay, so let me turn off that camera here and I'm going
Tutor Ted Sandiford. Tutor Ted.
Okay, so what I'm going to do, I am going to make sure that I have my... Okay, ready, and I'm going to record.
Tutor Ted Sandiford. It's indeed a pleasure.
Okay, so let's see what's happening there.
Tutor Ted Sandiford. It's indeed a pleasure to help you learn.
I am satisfied with what I'm seeing here right now, so let's see what happens.
Hello guys, my name is George and I'm a character created by your professor, tutor Ted Sandiford. It's indeed a pleasure to help you learn Character Animator. Good luck.
Okay guys, so what I am going to do right now, I am going to just add a wave so that he can say goodbye here. So what we're gonna do, okay, I remember my wave would be on this hand here. Okay, so let us record.
Meter. Good luck.
All right, so let's see what happens here.
Good luck.
Okay, so we can just bring this across here.
Good luck.
All right, and we bring this here. Okay, so his hand can close as soon as it comes down.
Good luck.
Right. Okay, so let's see what's happening with our recording.
Hello guys, my name is George and I'm a character created by your professor, tutor Ted Sandiford. It's indeed a pleasure to help you learn Character Animator. Good luck.
Okay, so what we're gonna do as well, we're gonna add some eye. Remember we made some triggers for the eyes as well. Okay, we're gonna add some triggers in there as well. So what we're gonna do, all right, make sure all our triggers are set here. Okay, make sure all of them are here. And now we're going to put in some eye movements right here. So we have this one, that's number 1, that's number 2, that's number 3, that's number 4. Okay, all right, so let's go. Let's start to record.
Hello guys, my name is George, and I'm a character created by your professor, tutor Ted Sandiford. It's indeed a pleasure to help you learn Character Animator. Good luck!
Okay, great. So let's see what's happening here.
Hello guys, my name is George, and I'm a character created by your professor, tutor Ted Sandiford. It's indeed a pleasure to help you learn Character Animator. Good luck!
Okay, so as you can see, guys, we have placed more life into our character by using our triggers with our eyes and with our different hand movements. Okay, so our character has some more life in there. So let's head to our next tutorial where we are going to export our small animation.